Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will be talking about how you can make your own handmade calendars, hand painted, or you can also do some stencil work or anything. So I'm not showing you how you have to paint or draw. I will be just talking about the different ways how you can try making your own calendars. So here are some of my options. This is the one I have made for 2027, and here it starts like this. You must have seen in my channel I have been posting all the paintings whichever I am making. So these are some simple paintings which I have done, and to tell you very frankly, this is a very good therapy which you can do it for yourself, and you can pass your time as well. Whenever you feel that you have to paint something, just don't do the painting on any of the canvases or any of the drawing sheets. Just buy these type of books, and you can always paint it, and then take a printout from the net of 2027 and stick it over here, and your calendar is ready. And if you are gifting it to anybody, for those who have got these as gifts, there is another suggestion that when you finish the 2027 stickers here, so then next year also you can again utilize the same calendar by just pasting the next year 2028. So this is how I have painted my own calendar, and some of the other pictures also you must have seen. Now let me tell you how to buy and from where to buy. Nobody has told me this. I just got this idea because I was just thinking, if I'm painting, I was painting the calendar for myself. So I thought, okay, I can gift it to my loved ones also, my friends, and they might like it, my hand painted ones, because if I get it printed, that is again going to have a print. So I don't want a print. I want my personal touch in that. That is why I decided to do this. So this is the sketchbook which you will get. You will get it in Amazon, and I have taken 270 GSM. If you are not very good with art, with the watercolors, then what you have to do is you have to take the little thicker one, 320 GSM paper, and then you do the artwork, the watercolor painting in that. Because if you're perfect, then any GSM would be fine. But if you are little new to art, watercolor art, then you have to take little thicker paper. Okay, so these are some sketchbooks, and only thing you have to remember is that it should be A5, because you are taking it for the table as a table calendar. And another thing, it should have either 12 sheet or 15 sheet. Okay, 12 sheet means 12 to the 24, so 24 pages, one side, this side, back, front, back. It's going to be like that. So 12 sheet would be perfect. But if you think that that is a little expensive or anything like that, you take the 15 sheet. Now with 15, what you will do is, see, we just have 12 months. So what will you do with the remaining ones? What I have done, I have divided the months into seasons. So first season is here. After 4 months, you will have one blank page. Here, you will write season 2. So you can just put some nice painting. So I've been doing like this, and I hope it has been helpful to you. Do give it a try, and stay tuned to my channel, because when I make these paintings, I always upload it with some therapy